If you are looking to speed up your post-workout muscle recovery time, today I'm going to share with you one of the most amazing and super simple, best ever muscle recovery tip that will change your whole post-workout recovery. I'm so excited to share with you this powerful tip that I share with professional athletes that I work with every day. Let's go. Watermelon is one of the most amazing workout recovery foods that you can add to your post-workout, post-gym fitness routine. If you experience frequent muscle soreness or have noticed you had a dip in your recovery time, or you just want to cut your recovery time after a competition or a race, this tip is something that I recommend to all of my athletes. I've even recommended it to Serena Williams, one of the athletes that I've worked with quite a bit. If we haven't met, my name is Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm a naturopathic physician. I have a master's in nutrition, and I help support high intensity athletes and professionals who are looking to enhance their overall health and wellness. This particular topic of muscle soreness and speeding up post-workout recovery has been a very popular topic on some of my social posts. And today I want to share with you 6 reasons why you want to try and add in watermelon after your workout, especially for some of those hardcore muscle pumping exercises or competition. So number 1, watermelon is a powerful hydrator. And most importantly, it has the capacity to hydrate your muscles in a rapid way. And second, that rapid hydration is dense in electrolytes, which is very, very important. We lose electrolytes when we are working our muscles and involved in high intensity competition or sports and any type of intensive exercise that is 30 minutes or more. So the potassium and magnesium hit you'll receive with watermelon will greatly enhance that relaxation of your muscles, reducing soreness. One of my favorite reasons to recommend watermelon is it is dense in an amino acid called L-citrulline. L-citrulline is an amino acid that actually promotes and enhances your nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide enhances blood flow and vasodilates all of your cardiovascular system. When it comes to muscle repair and post-workout recovery, an enhancement of blood flow and an increase in vasodilation, you are going to actually enhance relaxation, nutrient recovery, the electrolytes and the rehydration of your muscle. Through this amino acid, we actually see the manifestation of all of the powerful benefits watermelon can deliver to your post-workout routine. The 4th reason why watermelon is powerful is it is a really dense antioxidant. Particularly, it's rich in vitamin C and lycopene. Anytime we are doing any type of extensive workout and our muscles are pumping and they're shredding, we're shredding and ripping our muscle tone, we're putting a lot of strain on those muscles, we actually have an enhancement of inflammation and oxidative stress. So this excessive inflammation and oxidative stress needs to be canceled out. If we don't cancel out or reduce the inflammation and oxidative stress, it actually causes muscle damage, which tends to be where you feel the aches and pains after an intensive workout or even a few days after your sports competition. Watermelon, through the antioxidants of vitamin C and lycopene and a whole plethora of other antioxidants, it has the capacity to reduce the oxidative stress and limits inflammation. Those are big winners when it comes to that post-workout recovery. My 5th reason why I love watermelon is a lot of people don't realize watermelon is dense in B6. B6 is your B vitamin that you need for optimal muscle health. B6 is a protein metabolizer. It helps enhance muscle repair by increasing the protein that's delivered to your muscles. Another key advantage that you might not think about, B6 actually enhances your red blood cell count. The production of red blood cells requires B6. When we increase our blood cells, we increase that protein metabolism, we actually deliver more oxygen to our muscles, helping turn over the muscle tone and enhancing all the other benefits watermelon delivers. And lastly, 6th, one of the most important parts of a post-workout recovery is the utilization of this natural sugar, fructose, that occurs in watermelon. Fructose helps to restore the glycogen stores in your muscles. And it also restores your energy reserves, which help enhance that muscle recovery. And if you're curious about what form of watermelon or how should I get it, here are a few tips. One, it's not a bad idea to just slice up watermelon and eat it fresh. The other recommendation is to juice watermelon and add it to maybe some green juices that you might be consuming, or add chunks of watermelon that might be frozen or prepared for you ahead of time. Add that to your post-workout protein shake. And here's another way that you probably have never heard of before, but is really yummy and very powerful for just enhancing your overall post-workout recovery. It's to take a cup of the watermelon juice and add a 1/4 cup of chia seeds to it. Mix it up and let it sit. This makes a watermelon chia seed pudding, and it tastes so delicious. You can actually prep a ton of these before your workouts and have them ready to go in your gym bag or when you get at home, or have them in your office. And you're going to not only get the good fructose hit, you're going to get good fiber, you're going to get good protein, and it's just a powerful plant-based workout recovery plan. I welcome any questions that you might have about watermelon or post-workout recovery, or any specialized recommendations that you'd like me to provide in future videos. I do work with a lot of professional athletes and individuals who are doing extended marathons and mega runs and triathlons and fun mutters and all of the different fitness competitions as well. So I'd love to provide more information here through my YouTube channel for those of you who are engaged in those amazing sports. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified on video content here that releases every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And I look forward to seeing you on future videos.